Everybody is welcome. We are going to discuss benefits of drinking clove water at night. Clove is a spice that we use in our homes daily. Cloves were once more precious than gold. If you are drinking a cup of clove tea at night, it can work wonders for you. It helps your digestion, improves the quality of your sleep, and strengthens your immune system. It is true that at one time cloves were sold for gold. In China, they have been in use for over 2,000 years in traditional Chinese medicine. Clove oil was also used by ancient dentists when there were no numbing drugs. Because of its analgesic pain-relieving effect, it dulls pain. It was even used in dental procedures, much like modern-day dentists who use lidocaine. You can apply it right on your gums if you have a cavity or a bare nerve. It'll numb the area. One fun fact about cloves is that they basically have no side effects. They are antibacterial, antifungal, anti-candida, and antiviral. That is, when you apply clove oil to your tooth, it doesn't just numb the area but also invades any microbes, like bacteria or fungus, that may be living there. It may prevent their growth. Clove oil is used in mouthwashes, toothpaste, and gingivitis products. Some studies show that clove oil boosts blood circulation and amplifies digestive enzymes, the ones that help your stomach process food. In a test, clove oil was compared to benzocaine, a local anesthetic dentist office's use. And in another experiment, eugenol, which is contained in clove oil, was compared to hydrocortisone. Eugenol was as or even more potent at reducing swelling and redness of the skin. The best part is that cloves are probably already in your kitchen spice cabinet. You simply need to know what and when to use them. Here are some methods for making and taking clove tea or clove water. You can drink it as a liquid, chew on the cloves, or apply it at night. Let's first discuss the conditions it helps with. As previously stated, it is great for gum health, plaque, and toothache. Chew one clove or use the oil on a cotton swab to gums and teeth. It'll desensitize the pain and repair the area. Another use is for joint and muscle pain. Mix 2-3 drops of clove oil in olive or coconut oil and massage it over the affected area, or mix with Epsom salt and water. Magnesium in Epsom salt also alleviates pain. The majority also use it as a lip balm or apply it to cold sores, herpes virus. Use 2-3 drops of clove oil and combine it with coconut oil, and then apply to the lips. Because it is antiviral, it will cure sores as well as relieve pain. You can even use it to keep mosquitoes away. Mix some clove oil in water in a spray bottle, rubbing alcohol to give it shelf life and antiseptic property, and spritz onto skin. It works well on animals too, to keep flies and mosquitoes away. And the best part is, there are no nasty commercial chemicals in it. Let's now learn how to make clove water, clove tea, and its benefits. I drink it after my dinner at 6 p.m. Benefits: detoxifies liver by activating a few of the liver enzymes, digests food smoothly, eliminates bloating, gas, indigestion, cures respiratory problems like bronchitis, lung mucus, cold, cough, and asthma, acts like an antibiotic, but without any side effects. Improves heart health and increases blood circulation. Strengthen your immune system due to its antibacterial effect. Improves sleep quality if taken prior to sleep, as it is a natural sedative. It has no side effects. Unlike sleeping pills, it also contains tryptophan, which enhances serotonin and melatonin, the sleep hormones. How to prepare clove water. Place 45 cloves in a cup of water. Boil the water and then decrease heat for 5 minutes. Let it cool for almost an hour. Drink it after cooling. You can take it in the morning or at night. If giving to children, you can add a few drops of honey to eliminate bitterness. You can mix 2-3 drops of clove oil with coconut oil or olive oil and use it as a face cream, or mix it with aloe vera gel and apply it on wounds. It is an antiseptic as well as reduces the healing time. So do try it out and comment. That is all for today. Take care. See you in the next video.